Hello everyone, this is Kurt with CTL Truck Sales. CTL Truck Sales has been in business for 35 years continuously. Our website is ctltrucksales.com if you want to look at all of our trucks and trailers. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you stock number 2909. This is a 2012 Peterbilt 367. This is a very heavy duty truck. You've got big horsepower, a 550 horse Cummins ISX, a high torque rated 18 speed manual transmission, 390 gear ratio. There are currently 367,000 miles on the truck. It's completely California compliant with the diesel particulate filter and the DEF diesel exhaust fluid. You've got dual lockers on this truck, dual steering boxes, a 20,000 pound rated front axle, and a 46,000 rated rear axle. It's got a brand new 18-foot Hulk body. Let's walk around and take a close look at this truck. There's your big tires on the front, good tread on there. Cab's in real nice shape. No damage to it at all. This truck was built into a dump truck, but it has factory double frame, a factory drop axle on it, factory dual steering box. As you can see, there's no rust whatsoever underneath this truck. Brand new tire there, good tread on these tires on the back. Aluminum wheels. This is just a gorgeous looking dump truck, and it's built to perform and last for a long time. Take a look at the back of it here. There's your high lift tailgate. Got a brand new PTO, brand new pump. Of course, the body's brand new, as I mentioned. That US tarp, electric tarp system's brand new. There's a look at the tread on your rear tires. This one's mismatched, it'll be replaced. Aluminum wheels, of course. Brand new rubber right there. It's a demo body with your 450 hard ox steel. Truck like this, brand new, costs you somewhere in the vicinity of $200,000 if you include the mandatory federal excise tax on a brand new truck. I'm going to open up the engine compartment. Oh, it's still strapped down here. Bear with me a second. I'm going to open up this engine compartment and show you this 550 horse Cummins ISX. A closer look at that big tire in the front. Engine's in very nice shape. No oil leaks. I'm going to step up into the cab. There's your PTO switch, brand new. Your seats. Plenty of gauges on here. Interior's in nice shape. This truck is ready to make somebody some money. Again, my name is Kurt Holden, CTL Truck Sales. You can reach me directly at 602-487-4777. Thank you for watching my video today. Please call me when you want more information.